You guys clicked on this video for a reason. You've been seeing these Binance Smart Chain meme coins absolutely rip it. These BNB meme coins, guys, are ripping 1,000% in a couple hours. I've seen some run to 20, 30, even $100 million market cap within a matter of hours. And that is absolutely insane. A lot of the volume from Base and Ethereum has flooded into Binance. And now you guys are wondering, Ro, how do I actually buy these projects? Because it is a little bit different from Phantom. If you guys are anything like the members in my private Discord, they didn't know how to buy these Binance Smart Chain meme coins either. So in today's video, I thought, hey, may as well tell everybody how to do it. Now, guys, this is probably going to be the most simple tutorial to follow. There's no fluff. If you guys want to stay until the end of the video, I'll show you guys exactly why these projects are pumping. But the first half of this video, which we're going to get into, it just literally shows you all the tools that you need to make this happen. And I'm going to do this live with you so that you guys probably don't run into any hiccups. If you guys are new, subscribe, hit the bell, and like this video, and let's get right into it. Now, first thing that I did want to show you guys is obviously these Binance Smart Chain meme coins, right? You can see on the left-hand side over here, you have Base, you have Ethereum, you have Solana, and you guys are probably familiar with how to buy all of these. All simple, all available over on Base. Now, when it comes to these BNB ones, it's a little bit different. Now, Binance Smart Chain is not supported on Phantom, so you need a different wallet, such as you can use MetaMask, right? MetaMask is definitely a viable option, but here's the thing: I'm not really a fan of MetaMask. I don't like using MetaMask. I don't think the UI is that nice. I don't think it's user friendly, and especially on your phone as well, guys. I just don't think it looks the best. So what I like to use is something known as Trust Wallet. Now, for those of you that were around in the last cycle, Trust Wallet was probably one of your favorite applications, guys, just for the simple reason that a lot of meme coins in the last cycle were on BNB, and I've been around since 2017, so I kind of know how these things work. So boom, you go over to Trust Wallet, download the extension. Obviously, we're on Chrome here. Add to Chrome, add extension. And I'm doing this live with you guys. Again, I'm just going to show you from the beginning how to actually go about doing this. Okay, I have read, create a new wallet. Let's do this together. It's going to be a password one. Okay, so boom, I won't tell you guys the password. Maybe I'll give this account away someday if I make money off it. Who knows? So let's open up the wallet here. Now, boom, you have this on the side, guys. BNB Smart Chain. This is where we need our funds in. And as you guys can see, and hey, here's the thing: if you guys live in Canada, you're not able to buy BNB, which is actually very annoying. But if you're in like the States or whatever, go ahead, just use Coinbase. Go ahead, buy some Binance or use your Binance Binance exchange as it is, Binance US. We're not able to have access to that, so I can't really tell you guys how to exactly send Binance. But what I'm going to do is, for those of you guys who, let's say for example, you want to send some Ethereum over, and swap that into Binance, this is how you do it. So you see the fund button up here, right? You click the fund, buy crypto, deposit from an exchange, receive from another wallet. And that is what we are going to press. So we are going to send some Ethereum over, right? ERC20, love my Ethereum. We're going to send some over into this wallet, and then we're going to swap it into Binance. And then we're actually going to go ahead and buy a meme coin. So receive from another wallet. I'm going to click some Ethereum over here. Okay, so you have the wallet over here, and so let me go ahead and just do that right now, and I will be back with you guys after I fund it. All right, guys, so I literally just went on my phone over onto here. Boom, it's been sent. So now let's take it literally takes a couple seconds, right? So now we have it open over here, right? We have that, I sent literally 20 bucks in Ethereum over. So now let's go ahead and let's swap it. Okay, we're going to swap it into some BNB Smart Chain. Let's see here. How much could I do? I hate that unlike Phantom, you guys can't put like the official amount or like the full amount that you guys have. So let's just do 0.0045. Let's go ahead and swap it. And that is the estimated fee. So they're taking the fee from Ethereum, not from BNB, because you're bridging it over, guys. So keep that in mind. Again, it's like that was like 11 cents was the fee, nothing too crazy. And this is very, very simple. And now after this is done, we're going to go take a look at Dex Screener, see a BNB play, and we're actually going to buy it. Again, this is probably the easiest no fluff method. I'm going to show you guys from beginning to end how to go and buy BNB meme coins. Now you can also do this obviously on your phone as well, guys. Again, fairly simple. Just download Trust Wallet and then just do the same steps, right? That's literally it. Okay, so when we go over here, We should have the balance appear in a bit. Let's see here. Let's click refresh. All right, guys. So now you can see just after a few seconds, the BNB is now here on my wallet here. Right now, this is on the BNB Smart Chain, which is very important because that is what we are going to use. Now, how do we go and buy the meme coins at, for example, let's say are on deck screener, right? Let's say it's these ones over here that we want to go ahead and buy. You can see this is a project. It's called 1BNB. It actually did really well yesterday, but then a lot of these BNB meme coins took a crash, and we will talk about that in a bit. But for right now, strictly showing you guys how to buy BNB meme coins. So we could get the BNB pair from down here, right? You guys can see it's called 1BNB. Just copy that address. And then what I like to use, guys, is something known as Pancake Swap. Pancake Swap is literally like Uniswap, okay? But it's for the Binance Smart Chain. It's native to the Binance Smart Chain. And now what we're going to do is we're going to connect our wallet here. Wallet connect. Boom. Okay, let's get back here. All right, guys. So finally, we are on. That took a little bit of a hassle, but we are good to go, right? Okay. So we're going to switch into the BNB chain. Again, if you guys are just tripping out right now, I'm just literally switching between the chains here. And then you can see I have 19.77 over in BNB, right? So that is what we are going to be buying. If we click max, you can see how it inputs the maximum amount that we have over on our wallet. And then boom. So now what do we want to swap it for? Well, remember how we copied an address from before, guys? We're literally just going to paste that in here. And you can see it comes, right? 1BNB. Just buy 1BNB. Now, if we go ahead and just literally swap it, that is all you really have to do, guys. And that is how simple it is to go ahead and buy these meme coins. You click swap. You want to make sure you have enough trading fee. Did I double check if I have enough? I don't know if I checked if I have enough, but let's go ahead and confirm it. Transaction receipt, there we go. Add 1BNB to wallet, and obviously you guys could go ahead and click add to your wallet. I don't know why it keeps like closing that screen there, but very interesting. Okay, so then we open up our trust wallet, and then boom, our 1BNB is right over here, guys. That is literally what we just went ahead and bought. So literally that simple. That's how easy it is, guys, to go ahead and buy these meme coins on Binance Smart Chain. Now, if you guys just stayed for that, you're good to go. But if you want to know why these projects are pumping, well, first of all, you can see here BNB, CC is the main reason. And there's a lot of FUD around it right now as to why these meme coins have crashed. But it started on October 7th. CC posted BNB meme season and the casino opened. In 72 hours, new coins on BNB chain went up thousands of percent. Some examples, Binance Life, Palu 4 season. Volume went wild, but the reality was different. Market sentiment can swing quickly, especially meme coins. Ecosystems don't change in a day. BNB is strong. Now, I still do believe BNB is still strong, guys. We did see a major crash in some of these BNB meme coins. As you guys can see here, what a bloodbath in crypto today. Not sure what happened, but I think it started with false news about Alpha not going to list certain coins in the future, which soon proved to be wrong. But the FUD already done its damage. This is the unfortunate power of FUD when enough people get fooled by it. People often give me too much credit in good times and bad. I didn't do anything. I was busy all day. I often see titles like BlackRock sold BTC, Binance sold BTC. The correct title should be BlackRock's clients sold BTC, Binance's users sold BTC. Lastly, I support decentralized self-custody wallets for accessing memes or any crypto. Manage risks properly and keep on building. Couldn't agree more. And again, guys, you can see here a lot of these BNB meme coins did crash significantly within the last 24 hours. So hey, just be a little careful. But this video was for people on how to buy BNB meme coins. I'm sorry if it was a little long, but I do hope you enjoyed. If you did, smash the like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, family. Take care and peace out, guys.